Restore.
Heal.
Protect.
The time is now.
Tao ang magulo, hindi ang mundo. Matagal na itong nangihingi ng saklolo, ngunit nagbibini-binihan lang tayo. Ngayong tayo na ang kinakapos, saka lang ba tayo kikilos? Hindi pa huli ang lahat, may magagawa ka pa. Kaya't hanggat may oras, naway mabigyan pa natin ng oras.
Unang payuhin ang pinakamalakas na bagyo sa mundo.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Bahagyang tumakas ang bagyong Leon.
The Philippines is experiencing a climate crisis. It is currently the most tropical cyclone-visited country in the world, averaging to 20 tropical cyclones per year.
The signs are here. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's here.
But together, we have the power to heal. Every small action creates a ripple of change.
This is more than a campaign. It's a movement. It's time to be the change our Earth needs.
Join us to fight against climate change. Together, we can ensure our future for generations to come.